But let's put the spotlight on the real estate space. We caught up with key industry voices like of Irfan Razak of Prestige Group. We have also had Niranjan Hiranandani as well as Keshav Bajanka of Century Ply to decode the emerging trends in the sector and the way forward.
Have to make sure that we do the balance rightly and keep our pricing to the end product and which is offered to the consumer at a reasonable price. And that is what will keep the demand evergreen. In case prices run up too high, too fast, then there is a cause for concern.
There is definitely an increased aspiration model for people who buy real estate today in the marketplace as differentiated to what was happening 5 years ago. So I think that's a big difference. And more and more people move from the affordable segment to the middle segment to the rich segment, and of course the super marketplace will still be for the mid and other segments, which I think will grow much faster than any other segment in the country in terms of volumes at least. So I think the risk segment is lowered simply by seeing to it that you are attuned to the market demand and also how the development of the cities are taking place accordingly.
If you look at economies like China, like the US, the growth in the economy or the jump in the economy, which was 10% plus year-on-year GDP growth, was driven by the real estate sector. So I think that India is likely to witness that same scenario going forward. For us, the majority of our demand or a large chunk of our demand comes from new housing, and you're correct. Maybe a fraction, 25 to 30% comes from renovations. So upgrade is a trend that is continuously taking place. But I think that the increase or the growth in the segment is going to be fueled by new housing, which is seeing a tremendous uptake. So both of these are going to benefit us. There's a question of which will benefit more.
While that was the word coming in from majority stakeholders in the real estate space, the developers as well as the real estate ancillary players.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.